What's that?
Eat that noise.
What is that?
Eat that noise.
What is that?
Eat that noise.
Uh-oh. What is that?
Thunder.
Huh?
Thunder.
Thunder. Okay.
Mother.
A monster?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Was it gone?
It's gone. Yeah, there was no monster.
I didn't see it.
Mm-hmm. That's a dog. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just woof woof, that's all.
So you want to go outside again?
Want to go outside? Show Grandma where you saw the monster. Come on. Grandma will chase him away.
Yeah, Grandma will scare the monster away. See, Grandma's brave. There's no monster. There's somebody hammering, I think. Mm-hmm.
Monster.
No monster. No.
There's somebody playing with firecrackers.
Oh, yeah. It's the 4th of July. They do that on the 4th of July.
No monster. Want to scare a monster?
Yeah, Grandma scared the monster. Grandma scared the monster.
Want to go in now? It stopped raining. Oh, yep.
Thunder.
Yeah, that's not a monster. That's thunder.